Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the most incredible destinations around the globe. Today we are going to explore Florence, a vibrant and thriving city that is a must-visit destination in Italy. Our adventure begins with a scenic train ride from Venice to Florence, passing through the stunning Italian countryside. Once we arrived in Florence, we checked into the Club Hotel, conveniently located just a short walk from the Frenzy train station. This hotel not only made our stay comfortable but also served as an excellent base for exploring the city on foot. After settling in, we were ready to explore the heart of Florence. But before we get to that, let's talk about an exciting half-day trip we took to the famous city of Pisa. You can find the full video of our Pisa adventure on our channel, so make sure to check it out. Now, back to Florence. Our first stop is at the most popular Duomo Cathedral, also known as Florence Cathedral. This majestic structure set the scene for the Italian Renaissance and went on to inspire a legion of architects and artists on the continent. Moreover, the cathedral was built in dedication to the Virgin of Flowers and remains an important landmark for both locals and tourists. It is the spiritual heart of Florence and the soul of its historic center, also declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site. At night, we visited to Mercato Central, a foodie heaven where you will find a variety of cuisines including halal food restaurants. Here we were surprised to see a long queue of people waiting outside the restaurant. We ended our day here with a delightful desi dinner. The following morning, we headed out to explore the city on foot. Walking through the streets of Florence, our first stop is at the Arno River. This river divides Florence in two parts. Since ancient times, it has been a key transit route between the sea and the Apennines and the source of wood needed for architectural works. Right in front, you can see the iconic Ponte Vecchio bridge. The Ponte Vecchio is a medieval stone-closed spandrel segmental arch bridge over the Arno River in Florence. The only bridge in Florence spared from destruction during the Second World War. It is noted for the shops built along it. Building shops on such bridges was once a common practice. Our final stop was the Piazza Santo Spirito. You can visit the market here and also enter the church Santo Spirito facing the square with the same name. And that wraps up our amazing 2-day adventure in Florence, Italy. We explored awe-inspiring landmarks, took a half-day trip to Pisa, and fell in love with the city's charm. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Thanks for joining us and happy travels!